Now, I've done salt and pepper calamari on the show, but I've never done salt and pepper prawns, and that's what I'm going to be making for you. They are to die for. And instead of using regular peppercorns, I'm going to be using Sichuan, also called prickly ash. It has a wonderful numbing quality about it and also has a fruitiness, so it's not incredibly spicy. I want to extract as much flavour out of them as possible, and we do this by toasting them. So in a dry, hot pan, in they go, and we just give them a jiggle and just warm them up. Then I'm going to use a mortar and pestle to crush them slightly and then add the salt. Now, while they're toasting, I just want to crack 2 eggs. I'll need 2 egg whites for this. This is going to be the glue for the flour that's going to go on. So into this bowl, we'll crack our egg, and we just want the egg white. We can use these yolks for something else. You can make a mayonnaise out of it if you like, or even a custard's fantastic. So 2 egg whites, in they go. To season the egg white, some soy, so some light soy, and some dark soy, which is sweet and richer in flavour, so a splash of that. Just with a fork, we're going to whisk this together. Perfect. Now let's have a look at the Sichuan peppercorns. Oh yep, lovely and toasty. We'll take them out of the pan and straight into a mortar and pestle. They smell so good. Now we're going to crush this while they're still warm. And after toasting them, they become almost nutty in smell. Just fantastic. Have a look at that. Now these are salt and pepper prawns, so we need the salt in here, a good pinch of salt. And again, we're just going to pound this together. And that component is ready to go. Now onto our prawns. 1 kilogram of prawns. I've deveined them and I've peeled them. And we're going to place these prawns into our egg and soy mixture. And we want to coat them really well. Then we're going to place them into a bowl of rice flour. Rice flour goes really crispy as it fries, so that's why I'm going to be using rice flour. So just like anything you're frying, you don't want to overcrowd the pan. So I'm going to do this in small batches. You'll know that these are cooked when they become golden brown. All right, the last batch of prawns are going to come out of the oil. Usually I would drain this on some paper towel or a rack, but I actually want some of the oil to go into my dish because it's going to help the Sichuan peppercorns and the salt stick. And while they're piping hot, we'll add this mixture onto our hot prawns. And I'm using quite a large bowl here, but I love the theatre of tossing these prawns. So you want to toss them. Oh, they smell so good. Now to plate this up, we're going to place our prawns onto quite a large plate. This is for sharing. And to garnish these prawns, some chilli. This is just a green chilli. It's really mild. Really want it for the crunch. Sprinkle that over the top. And sticking with the green theme, some coriander. Look how fresh this coriander is. A few little sprigs and some lime, a little cheek of lime. Put one on this side and why don't I put another one on the other side. This is such a vibrant dish, loads of flavours going on there, sweet prawns that are quite crunchy, and then you've got the Sichuan peppercorns with the salt, just divine. A squeeze of lime over the top. This one has my name all over it. Salt and pepper calamari was so last year. It's all about salt and pepper prawns now.